I was sent this travel bag and this is amazing. I want to show you the demo of how to use it. So I have my daughter's dance clothes lined up here as an example. So you have this great bar that comes off. Now, when you don't want to have the bar, let's go ahead and put these down here. This just pops off super easily with a push of a button. And then this is telescoping, so you can decide how high or how low you want it. Everything fits right back in. That comes up. It's so simple to use. And then inside here, even my dog is curious about it. Inside here, there are two bars that kind of give it some structure. So you have one on this side and then one on this side. So everything is so easy to pack up when you're done and you're not using it. I love the simplicity of it. I'm not a super mechanical person, so I want something that's gonna collapse and fold up easily. Now you have all these extra pockets here with clear so that you can see what's in them. I love that. That makes it so accessible. There's even an inside zipper pocket over here. Over here you have netting, your instruction manual, lots and lots of space. I'm gonna go ahead and take the pole out of this side too. This one is the only part that's like sort of kind of tricky just because it fits like perfectly right there. And then when you're done, watch this. So if you were to zipper the whole thing up too, look at all this extra space. On the outside, so much space. And then it all can collapse down really tiny for storage. Also, let me show you on this side, you have two zipper pouches as well, one that's clear. And then all of it has rolling wheels so that it's easy to take it with you on the go. And then you have your handle, plus a handle right here. Okay, how amazing is this bag?